Welcome to Jigsaw Puzzles at Anderson Home. John Spilsbury, a London map maker, is said to be the inventor of the jigsaw puzzle in 1762. Originally, they were made from wood. They were hand-colored usually, very expensive, and only rich people could afford them. The first one was a map to teach children geography. Soon after came puzzles to teach religion and morals. People collect antique puzzles to this day. This is John Boone, Dean of Brookwood College, and we hope you will join us at Anderson for Jigsaw Puzzles.